How to use Pay Westpac. Follow the instructions. Open Westpac app or online banking. Log in securely with your username and password. Tap Payments, then select Pay or use the search bar to quickly find Pay payment option. Tap Add New Biller or select an existing saved biller from your Westpac Pay list. Enter biller code and customer reference number, CRN, exactly as shown on your bill. Enter the payment amount and select the bank account you want to make the payment from. Optional set future payment date or choose to make the Pay payment recurring weekly monthly. Review all entered details carefully, then confirm the Pay payment by clicking the Confirm button. Save or screenshot your Pay receipt for your records. Payment will process next business day. Thank you for watching.